Nice quiet anchorage. Well, this little naughty gale blows through. And the scene on a stormy rainy day. Head-to-head Macintosh power books.
What's going on out here?
It's windy. The dinghy is full of water. We're still hunkered down in Atlantic City, and forecast is for 25 to 30, gust and higher for the next 3 days. All weekend long. I don't see us getting out of here till Monday. Well, it's another one of these wicked, windy, and rainy days, and a little bit of cabin fever here. I've been working. Just put a little loaf of banana bread together. Wind's coming a little more westerly and settling down. This is the nicest day we've had in the past 4 days. We've been anchored here for 4 days in 30 knots, 35, gust and higher. Just been hunkered down and stay warm. Coming out of Atlantic City, finally cleared up, and we're going to try to head out there and see what we see. Certainly settled down. We got a nice swell though, which is real comfortable. Get an idea of the swell here.
Blue water pilot?
It's real nice.
What you doing, kid? Steady move. Hey, what channel? Hey, get down to 7. Or 6. Go to 6.
Goodbye, New York to Nantucket. Hello, Delaware Bay and Chesapeake. Coming down here, making way for Cape May, and it is dark. There is Daphne, full name. Looking good. Looks like she's got a monitor rig up. And I'm gonna run into this abandoned lighthouse. Holy shit. Someone better start driving. Delaware Bay. 5 knots with the current. I must be making like 3 through the water. 5. Overground here. Tremendous.
Elizabeth, Elizabeth, Elizabeth. This is Daphne, over.
Daphne, Elizabeth on 6-8.
Benji, how you doing over there?
Fine. How about you?
It's really light wind right now. It's like 3 knots of wind. Over.
Yeah, it's real light. We might have to keep on pushing here.
I think I might fire up my engine for a little bit.
Okay, that sounds great. I might do the same, but I'll let you catch up first.
Sure thing. You know it's light wind when Dory comes out to play.
That's a good point. You could be the new wind indicator.
This is Daphne, clear on 6-8, standing by 1668.
Elizabeth clear on 6-8, standing by 1316.